How to add header row to a pandas data frame. I am reading a CSV file into pandas. This CSV file consists of 4 columns and some rows, but does not have a header row, which I want to add. I have been trying the following. But when I apply the code, I get the following error. What exactly does the error mean? And what would be a clean way in Python to add a header row to my CSV file /pandas.df?
You can use names directly in the read_CSV. Names, array-like, default noun list of column names to use. If file contains no header row, then you should explicitly pass header equals none.
Alternatively, you could read your CSV with header equals none and then add it with df.columns.
Having done this, just check it with
Simple and easy solution. Note: make sure your header length and CSV file header length should not mismatch.